unwavering dedication, I will perform my duties with integrity, honor, and respect, always placing the needs of those we serve above my own. I will embrace the spirit of teamwork and support, fostering a sense of unity and collaboration within our ranks. Guided by a deep love of our organization, I will strive to embody its core values in every action and decision. Ensuring that our collective efforts reflect and strength and dedication to our community, to pursue the highest standards of performance, continuously seeking to improve and exceed expectations. This is my solemn oath to stand as the true representative of the integrated D-Alert Network Association Incorporated. And to contribute to our shared mission with pride and determination. So help me God. Congratulations.
Once again. So, out of office, ID Alert officers, Pagadian chapter, please follow after me. I state your name. Please raise your right hands. I, of state your chapter, after having been elected as position of the Integrated Active League for Emergency Reaction Transceivers, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance, obey, support, and defend Constitution and bylaws of the ID Alert, the Philippine Constitution, and the laws of the land, the programs and policies, and the purpose of the ID Alert Association. That I will wholeheartedly accept these obligations, and I will faithfully and conscientiously work for the upliftment of the goals of the organization and imbue to myself the value of honesty, integrity, commitment, and dedication, supporting the call for voluntary service for the community and country, that I will do nothing to bring disfavor or discredit upon the association. This I voluntarily impose myself without mental reservation. So help me God. Okay, for our chapter president, Reverend Father Winston Lapano. Clap your hands, please. Executive Vice President, Vice President for Administration, Leonilo Martel. Vice for Operation, Roland Cataylo. Secretary, Roland C. Gukor. Secretary, Bel C. Gukor. Auditor, Noel S. Ranas. Business Manager Carlo G. Evadientes. Board of Directors, Edelmar Vincent S. Arao. B. Sala. Bukirham L. Balsamo. Paid Conrad C. Lu. Air Marshal Felipe Otar. Emilio M. Tuling. Ariton A. Sabaricos. And Committee Chairman, we have the complaints for grievances Jopisto F. Tautuan Jr. Technical and Communication, Winston L. Lacharon. Post Disaster Evaluation, Joben Bico M. Agulo. Project Controllership, Edgar S. Diocales. National and International Linkages, Bobby Bren Pagara. And last but not the least, Chairman for Education and Technical for Training, Engineer Gabriel Nadala.